Okay, so this dress measures 37 and a half. It has 3/4 sleeves, but it doesn't have a shoulder seam. So I don't really want to measure the sleeve and the shoulder and then be wrong and all that. That's crazy. But it's a 3/4 sleeve, and it's made from Sears Fashions, which I love. Mod Sears Fashions. Love the catalogs and all these great, you know, things that came out of their psychedelic era. I love it. They were just like the coolest place ever at one point. And wow, just love it. Love these colors. It's insane. You know, you just wear this and it just looks like so cool. Like you just got the coolest designer on. And even when it's like peeking out of a coat, it's just runway. It's really, really, really high style. And if you wanted to, this would be one of those dresses that are easy to shorten and be a mini dress. But either way, it's freaking fabulous. Pardon-moi, François. Moi, François. Mon François. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. Lovely, lovely, lovely designs going on here. I wish I had the catalog with the picture of the model wearing this. That would be the coolest. Okay, so our lovely little Sears dress measures 18 across the bust, 16 across the waist, and 19 and a half across the hips. Yeehaw!